Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 103 of Building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. The episode today is How to Hatch a Dinosaur. We're continuing a story from Egghead. You can tell because there's a giant egg sitting in the picture here. I still have no memory of Egghead. It's very, very strange. Yeah, but this is the episode where Robin and Batgirl see a dinosaur hatch. I wouldn't have said that was a dinosaur. That's man in a dinosaur suit. Quite a bad dinosaur suit, but there we go. The Penguin, Pain and Prejudice is our year. No, the year is Batman 19. I apologise for that. That looks like Judge Death. I'm sure it isn't, but there might be some sort of 2000 AD crossover. Who publishes 2000 AD? Is it DC? I don't think it is. Do they publish themselves? I don't know. This is 1000th issue of Detective Comics. So they give a wraparound cover, which is quite nice looking. I'm not sure about the Batman with the square face, though. That's not so good. We have Batman The Last Night on Earth. Interesting. I like the moody colours. Anyway, the car parts. We have another hinge piece and another interior piece that we're not fitting yet. We're fitting the hinge panel and then keeping the other bit aside for next time, when I'm sure we're going to be putting that in. So, and here we are. This is what we've got today, the hinge panel and the cover piece for the inside that we're not using. Some more EM screws, of which 2 are going to be used now. Put those aside. And these are going to hold this panel in place over the hinges. Just like that, it all fits in nicely to cover all of the nice little areas. Just about there, flush with that. There we go. And the 2 screws will go in the 2 screw holes, as if you would have not noticed where they were going to go. That in there, and that one down there. That's not going in for some reason. There we go. So there we have that. Another one completed. Next time, I say, is the slightly bigger episode where we finish off the door, put the door handle on like last time, and then fit the door to the body of the car. Then we get the even bigger one where we're doing more with the body of the car. So stick around in a couple of days for that, and I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.